following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil warning alert. This is not a test. In many homes, personnel that have a video game console named as the Nintendo Wii have been reported slowly melting and then exploding if one turns it on. We advise you that if you have any video game consoles or computers, do not turn them on, and unplug them from any power source. If you witness any computer or video game console burning or melting, get as far as possibly away from it, and do not try to turn it off for your safety of you and others. The following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil danger alert. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Many personnel in their homes have reported their video game console named the Nintendo Wii melting and exploding when one turns it on. As an update to this situation, there are reported 72 injuries and 3 deaths as of now. This can also affect computers, so unplug any computers from a power source. If you witness any computer melting or burning, get as far away as possible, and do not try to turn it off for your safety. The following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil danger alert. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This is an update on the computer melting situation. If you have any sort of electronic like a computer, video game console, or a television, throw them away immediately. Personnel have reported that electronics like a computer have reported melting and catching on fire without being plugged in. We do not know how this is possible.